Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we have completed with block 18, isn't it, children? So, let's start with our new block, which is block 19, and the name of our block is soil. Okay, soil is an important natural resource. Okay, important. Why it is important? We will learn. Natural resource means it occurs from the nature. We get soil from the nature. Okay, and it covers the earth. And how this is made, how the soil is made? From the rocks. When the rocks break down into small pieces, then that small pieces becomes the soil. Okay, children, so please open your content book, children, science content book, and turn to page number 118. Okay, so that is soil. In that way, soil is formed when the rocks break into small pieces. Those pieces of small pieces of rocks makes the soil, and it covers the earth's surface. Okay, and it is natural resource, I have told. Yes, so in this our first topic is uses of soil. Okay, so most plants grow in the soil, isn't it, children? So if you see what is the first use of soil, let's take, what do we eat, children? Food, isn't it? So the food we eat will be grown in the crops, that is in the plants, in the form of plants and crops. Yes, where does that grow? In the soil, isn't it? If you think that no, I don't eat veggies, I only eat meat, then that means the chicken. So then what does that? You'll eat meat. And what does that eat? Plants only. Like if you see the goat, if you eat the goat, the mutton, the goat also eat leaves of the plants, and that plants again grow in the soil. Yes, but if you see that no, the meat also eat meat, like chicken eats some insects, isn't it? So that chicken is also eating some meat. Insects, where does they grow? What does they eat? The plants, isn't it? The insects also eat plants. Yes, so again plants grow in the soil. That means we are directly or indirectly depend on soil for the food, isn't it? The food we eat directly, like plants to soil, or sometimes meat to plants, plant to soil. Directly or indirectly we depend on soil for food. Okay, not only that, soil has many uses also, like for some worms, some small animals, some insects live in the soil. Okay, see, this rabbit also live inside the soil, isn't it? It makes burrows and it lives in that. Yes, earthworms, snails, ants, all these animals live in the soil, isn't it? And also soil is also called mud, isn't it? When it is with wet, when you smoothly take the soil out, the smooth soil, and if you mix it with water, it becomes mud, isn't it? With that mud we can make bricks, building materials. Yes, bricks. Some people directly make use that mud to make the houses, especially in the villages. In the small villages we can see the houses made of mud houses. Yes, mud huts. Yes, so directly those people use the mud to build their house. Sometimes we make the bricks to b- build the house. That bricks also are used from the mud, are made from the mud, and these bricks are made so that they become stronger. Okay, and in olden days, challas, children, here in your content book the spelling of challas is wrong. I have given in the daily schedule, check with that spelling. Okay, so challas, that is here in the first picture. Can you see? They used to cook the food on challas. Okay, so that challas were made of mud. Can you see in the picture? It's a muddy thing. Yes, so that also. And pots. When we are doing pottery class, you will touch that clay, isn't it? That is also a mud. Pots, toys, idols, diyas. Yes, diyas also. That also is made of mud. Yes, so in this way, directly or indirectly, we depend on soil and we make different things from the soil. If you see in your content book, also you have the pictures of bricks, mud house, chalas, and pots also in page number 199. Yes, children. So these are the uses of soil. Okay, so for this topic I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Learn them and write it in your classwork and also underline in your content book. And if you find any other word which is difficult for you, you can write that also, learn it and underline in the content book. Okay, coming to your question answers. What are the uses of soil? So what all we discussed in the class that you need to write. Okay, soil is needed for plants to grow. Many animals live in the soil, breathe the air in the soil. So which live in the soil, they breathe, isn't it? So they take the air in the soil. They breathe that air which is in the soil. Okay, and we make pots, diyas, toys, idols, etc. with the mud. And in villages, we can also see the houses made of mud. Okay, write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 15, S1, uses of soil. Okay, so in the next class, we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.